Hi, this is Dennis again with Denco Racing. I want to share a new product that I got as a birthday gift a couple of months ago from a friend of mine. It's called the Last Coat, and you can actually pick this up at thelastcoatrocks.com. I figured I'd share with the off-road enthusiasts out there. This is a Yamaha Rhino that we take out, and trust me, I hammer this thing with mud and rocks and all kinds of stuff. And I'm going to tell you that back in the day, we used to spray the vehicles down with WD-40. We got back, we'd wash it off, nothing would stick to it. Problem with those products is it doesn't stay on the vehicle and it really doesn't protect it. This product protects it. I've washed this vehicle 3 times in between taking it out and getting muddy, and it still shines like beautifully. The product is very easy to use. All you do is spray it on, just like this. Take a microfiber towel. I usually use a circular pattern. Wipe it in like this. Flip the towel over and buff it up. Look at that surface. This paint job is about 6 years old. And look at that. Beautiful. Make sure you go online and get this product, thelastcoatrocks.com.